Let's talk Python. It's a name you might have heard, a language that's taking the digital world by storm. But what exactly Python? And why is it so popular? 𝒯𝒾𝓂𝓒 here. And I'm excited to introduce you to the magic of coding, specifically with Python. Today, we're starting a journey into the world of computers, these incredible machines that have revolutionized how we live, work, and play. A world built with ideas and instructions called code. Code is the language we use to communicate with computers, telling them exactly what to do. It's the foundation of every app, website, and program you use. Everything you do on a device, from the simplest tap to the most complex calculation, from games to messages, social media to streaming videos, happens because a coder wrote instructions for the machine. These coders are the architects of the digital world, shaping our experiences with every line of code they write. Coding is like writing a recipe, a set of precise steps that a computer can follow. But instead of cake, you create something amazing on a screen. Maybe it's a game, an interactive story, or even a tool that helps people solve problems. You might think coding sounds complicated, like some secret language only geniuses can understand. But there's a language designed to be friendly, easy to learn, and incredibly versatile. And powerful Python. It's used by everyone from beginners to professional developers at companies like Google, NASA, and Spotify. Python lets you talk to computers almost like writing in English. Its syntax is clear and concise, making it easier to read and understand than many other programming languages. Imagine giving a robot clear step-by-step directions, telling it exactly what to do and how to do it. If you're clear, it works. If not, it gets confused. Just like a robot, a computer needs precise instructions to function correctly. That's programming. It's about breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps that a computer can execute. Python's rules are simple, making it easier to learn and remember. So you can focus on your ideas, not memorizing weird symbols. You can spend more time bringing your creative visions to life. Whether you want to make games, design interactive experiences, analyze data, uncover hidden patterns, or help robots explore, push the boundaries of science and technology, Python is your key. It's the tool that will unlock your potential and allow you to create amazing things. Let's get started on this exciting adventure. You're about to become a creator. Get ready to build, innovate, and shape the future with the power of Python. What exactly is a programming language? It's a question that might seem complex at first, but the core concept is surprisingly straightforward. In essence, a programming language is a special kind of language that we use to communicate with computers. Think of it as a bridge, a vital link between us, humans, and the digital world of computers. It allows us to give instructions to computers in a way they can understand and act upon. In our daily lives, we use languages like English, Spanish, or Mandarin to communicate with each other, expressing our thoughts and ideas. However, computers don't understand these human languages directly. They operate on a much more fundamental level, understanding only ones and zeros, the binary code that forms the basis of all digital computation. This is where programming languages like Python come into play. They act as translators, taking our human-readable instructions and meticulously translating them into something computers can execute, effectively bridging the gap between our intentions and the computer's actions. Python, in particular, allows us to write code using words and symbols that are relatively easy for us to understand, making the programming process more intuitive and accessible. We can use commands like print to display information or if to make decisions within our code. These are just a couple of examples of the many tools Python provides. But how does the computer actually understand these commands? Well, a special program, often called an interpreter or compiler, takes our Python code and translates it into binary code, the language of ones and zeros, which the computer's processor can then understand and execute. Python is considered a high-level language, meaning it's closer to human language and further removed from the complexities of ones and zeros. This abstraction is a key feature of Python. This higher level of abstraction means you can focus more on solving the actual problems you're trying to address with your code. You don't need to worry about the intricate details of how the computer's hardware functions at a low level. Python handles those details for you. Just like any language, programming languages have rules, and these rules are called syntax. Think of syntax as the grammar of a programming language, dictating how you structure your code. If you get the syntax wrong, if you don't follow the rules, the computer will let you know by giving you an error message. This is a normal part of the programming process. Fortunately, Python's syntax is known for being clean and relatively simple. which makes your code easier to read, understand, and maintain. In many ways, writing Python code is like writing a clear, well-organized lab report, where your instructions are presented in a logical and easy-to-follow manner. In the vast landscape of programming languages, why does Python stand out? Why do so many people, from coding novices to seasoned developers, consistently choose Python as their go-to language? What makes it so appealing? Its biggest strength, and perhaps the most compelling reason for its popularity, is simplicity. Python prioritizes readability and ease of use above all else. Python code is remarkably easy to read, almost like plain English, making it accessible even to those with limited programming experience. The syntax is clean, uncluttered, and designed to be intuitive. This clear and concise syntax means you can write and understand programs quickly, reducing development time and minimizing errors. You can focus on the logic of your code, rather than struggling with complex syntax rules. This readability not only saves time but also makes teamwork significantly easier. When code is easy to understand, collaboration becomes more efficient and productive. Developers can quickly grasp the intent of others' code, facilitating seamless integration and debugging. Python is also incredibly versatile, a true jack-of-all-trades in the programming world. Its adaptability allows it to be used in a wide range of applications and industries. You can use Python to build websites, from simple static pages to complex, data-driven web applications. It's a powerful tool to analyze data, extract insights, and create visualizations that tell compelling stories. Python is at the forefront of artificial intelligence, enabling you to create AI-powered applications that learn and adapt. You can automate tasks, streamlining workflows and freeing up time for more strategic initiatives, or even make games, from simple arcade-style games to more complex interactive experiences. Learning Python opens up endless possibilities in almost any field, from web development and data science to machine learning and cybersecurity. It's a valuable skill that can unlock a wide range of career opportunities. Plus, when you learn Python, you join a huge supportive global community of developers, enthusiasts, and experts. This vibrant community is a valuable resource for learning, collaboration, and problem-solving. If you get stuck, which inevitably happens to every programmer at some point, there are countless forums, online communities, and resources readily available to help you overcome any obstacle. The Python community is known for its willingness to assist newcomers and share knowledge. The community has built tons of libraries, collections of pre-written code you can easily use in your projects, saving you time and effort. These libraries cover a vast range of functionalities, from data analysis and scientific computing to web development and machine learning. Python is interpreted, meaning that you can run code instantly, without the need for a separate compilation step. This allows you to see results right away, making the development process more interactive and efficient. This instant feedback makes learning fun and engaging, as you can quickly see the impact of your code changes. It also encourages experimentation, allowing you to try out different approaches and learn from your mistakes in a safe and iterative environment. Write, test, repeat. The core of the development process becomes a seamless and intuitive cycle. It's science in action. Each iteration is an experiment, and the results guide your next steps. Python's interactive style, combined with its simplicity and versatility, makes it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or you're a seasoned developer, Python has something to offer. What can you do with Python? So much! Many top websites and apps like Instagram and Netflix use Python behind the scenes. With frameworks like Django or Flask, you can build your own interactive websites. Want to make games? Python's pgame library lets you create fun, interactive games and learn programming logic. Python shines in data science and AI. Scientists use it to predict weather, analyze markets, and build smart assistants. You can automate boring tasks like renaming files or copying data with simple Python scripts. Python even controls robots and electronics. Build a weather station or a robot car. The only limit is your imagination. Python is your toolkit for creativity. Why is Python perfect for beginners? It's simple, clean syntax. To display "Hello World" in Python, just print "Hello World." No confusing symbols, just clear instructions. Python lets you focus on learning programming concepts, not fighting with syntax. You can get your first program running in minutes, building confidence fast. There are tons of free resources online, tutorials, videos, and interactive guides. You don't need expensive courses. The global Python community makes learning accessible. The skills you learn are real and valuable, used by professionals every day. Python grows with you, from simple programs to complex projects. It's a foundation for your future in tech. Where is Python used in the real world? Everywhere. Data scientists analyze information, software engineers build websites, and automation engineers test software, all with Python. Animators use it to automate parts of movie production. Schools and top universities teach Python as the first programming language. Scientists use Python to process telescope images, analyze DNA, and model climate change. Python's data tools have revolutionized research and discovery. It's used in finance, cybersecurity, and even by artists for generative art. Python empowers people in every industry to solve problems creatively. Learning Python unlocks doors you didn't know existed. It's the language for problem solvers. Every invention has a story. Python's is all about making coding friendly. Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum created Python in 1989 as a hobby, aiming for a language that was easy to read and powerful. He wanted code to be as understandable as plain English, and for the language to be flexible and fun. The name, inspired by Monty Python's Flying Circus, not the snake. Guido led Python's growth for years, focusing on simplicity and programmer happiness. Today, Python is guided by a community, but it stays true to its original vision. It's a language built for people, not just machines. Time for some fun facts. Type import this in Python and you'll see the Zen of Python, a poem of guiding principles like readability counts. Python libraries have quirky names: Requests, Beautiful Soup, and Django, to name a few. Much of the internet, YouTube, Dropbox, even NASA, relies on Python. Python is dynamically typed. You don't have to declare variable types, making experimentation fast and easy. You can set x=5, then x=hello. Python figures it out. This flexibility is why both beginners and experts love it. Python is trusted for everything from web apps to space missions. It's all about making coding fun and accessible. Ready to start your Python adventure? It's easier than ever. Any basic computer will do. Just install Python from python.org for free. Next, explore free resources. Websites like Free Code Camp, Codecademy, and YouTube tutorials. Choose what works for you: reading, watching, or hands-on coding. Start small. Print text, use variables, try if statements. Celebrate every small victory. Every coder started with "Hello World." Find a project that excites you. Calculate your weight on Mars, make a guessing game, or automate a task. When you're passionate, learning feels like play. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're how you learn. Experiment, be curious, and have fun. The world of coding is waiting for you. You have the tools, now go create. Python is your key to the future.